Hi, welcome to my orchard videos, and welcome to my 2022 orchard and vineyard tractor reviews. So here we call this is another case tractor. It's a 35C model series, as is we call the C series on this one here. A little more heavier duty than the previous model I talked about. I do recommend these ones here for either orchard, vineyard, hobby farm, and such. If you're doing ground crops as well, it's a very good tractor, heavy duty, has a very good engine, very good transmission. You can lift quite a bit of weight on the back end of these. You can have loaders, many implements, mowers on the bottom, not on the bottom, but on the back, 3-point hitch mower, and they're good for many different applications. This one here comes in a cab or non-cab model. You can get front end loader for this one here if you get from the factory. You're looking at anywhere from 35 to 55 horsepower on the engine. Fuel efficient, tier 4 final engine, gear or synchronized shuttle, and hydrostatic transmission available. So if you don't like hydrostatic transmission, and since these guys offer gear, well, you better jump on it, because this is a really good tractor for that application if you like gears like I do. Basically, it has a larger operating area with deluxe features, slope hood for improved visibility and safety. The 35C non-cab has a 29.7 to 28 horsepower on the PTO. Has a little more horsepower for the gear over hydrostatic. So it's a very good compact tractor, and I mean, you can get multiple different attachments for this tractor. And being it's a little more heavy duty than the previous model, you can do a lot more weight, do a lot more with this tractor than the previous model, just because it's a little more heavy duty. So I do recommend it for the applications. So I'll be posting up a few pictures after the video here, and you can determine if this tractor's a tractor for you. You can check out caseih.com or .ca or Farmall Tractors, and you'll get all sorts of information there. But the thing is, it's a really nice feature that it has a gear transmission and also hydrostatic. I don't think Kubota, smaller compact tractors, offer the gear. I have tried that before over the years, and they don't really offer a gear. I mean, you can get it, but they don't offer it. Most is hydrostatic. And the same as John Deere and other brands mostly have gone to hydrostatic transmissions. So this is a nice feature to have a gear transmission. It's something that may last longer. Hydrostatic is that they'll last and such, depending on users, and basically you have to see how long they last. Many different features on it. I really like a slope hood, great for visibility and such. Has a very roomy operating station, and it's just a very good all-round kind of machine. And so, anyways, thanks for watching my video. If you find any of this information of value, remember to comment, like, and share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tractor reviews.